Botox, a lot of IV drips that they're using. It becomes so common that people are just talking randomly about it and they're cool about it.
Doctors are promoting it on social media.
If you want to get a tattoo, they will first ask you, cancer risk hai family mein? They know that in that pigment in the future can cause cancer.
There's also a new term in the market, cosmetology.
People who have not taken chemistry in 12th are telling you about chemicals.
Oh God.
We have come up with doctors who are proclaiming themselves as cosmetologists. This term classically does not exist in the textbook of the government.
So are you saying there's no degree behind it?
There's no degree there.
What's the obsession of Indians with this glass skin, the Korean culture?
I would say it has gone bad to worse. The infatuation with white skin has reached levels beyond
Still?
our... Yeah.
2026?
Brides to be are like, मुझे गोरा होना है. Their skin is amazing, no doubt. But यहाँ पे we are not even following 1/3 of what they do.
Dr. Abhishek, welcome to the third episode of TSG.
Thank you.
A lot of people all these years, they often text me, they often comment on my post on social media. Sir, thoda skincare ke bare mein batao. That what skincare you have been using all these years? What's the reason behind that you glow so much? So please let me introduce the man behind all the guidance and the products he has been guiding me since years. Sir, welcome to the show again.
Thank you.
Please tell me something about yourself and to the audience.
I'm Dr. Abhishek Sharma. I am MD. I'm MD in dermatology, venerology, leprosy. That's the standard degree we get in India. And I practice in South Extension. And I'm an associate consultant also with Rosewalk Hospitals.
How many years in all together you've been doing it?
I've been just practicing dermatology since 2017. And before that, of course, undergrad, then I was abroad in the US for some time. So all in all, this whole journey started in 2005. So you can say 2 decades.
It's almost 2 decades,
Two
right?
decades in medicine now. Yeah.
So you have seen like 2 decades, it's a very long time. Skincare today is just not a female thing anymore.
Correct.
Men, female, they all are very much associated towards it.
Correct.
They're pretty much very concerned when it comes to their skincare. How do you see it from the time when you started studying it or practicing it as compared to today's time? How important it has become in day-to-day's life for everyone?
Well, let's just start by saying that we have makeup for children now. I think you must have seen it on Instagram. This makeup is safe for children.
Yes.
So that much of a contour shift has happened.
Yes.
And of course, when I was in my initial years, it was something that was subjective, tailor-made, and not so much social media driven.
Correct.
And now it's totally post-COVID. I think it's most of economics that's driving it. And everyone has a say on it. Everyone wants to speak about it. There's a term coined skin intellectuals to all these people who, whether having a degree or not, are saying things. And to my amazement, everybody is catching up on it.
Yeah.
And I think we have made the whole generation a little more conscious about how they look. Earlier, people were very confident with what they were. There was more about personality. It was more about the intellect. Now it's more about how you look.
Correct.
How you are perceived when you are looked upon as. Not how it is when you open your mouth, or are you even able to hold a conversation, talk on a topic. But it is, how do I look? That has suddenly become so important. And now slowly it's creeping into the younger generations.
Teenagers.
And teenagers, even young children, like I'm talking about 7-year-old, 8 years old, and they're coming and asking, Uncle, kaun sa
You have a
makeup
daughter
laga
too,
sakte hain? I have a
right?
daughter. She's after me ki lipstick lagani hai. I mean,
Oh,
it's
God.
very difficult controlling her also at this point of time. So I think it is all thanks to social media.
Yeah.
These skin influencers and celebrities also taking a dip. And then I think now, unfortunately, even the doctors have gone forward. And they have started doing their own section of reels and telling you what to and what not to.
Correct.
Whether you want the information or not is a different aspect. But right now, it is so much in your face that you cannot just close your eyes towards it. You have to give importance to it, ki ho kya raha hai, and at the end, it starts playing in your head. So yeah, a monumental, titanic shift has happened when it comes to skincare.
I'll come to the digital part later, but there's also a new term in the market, cosmetology.
Yes.
What term is it? Is it because I've heard it for the very first time and people are like, they practice it.
Correct.
So tell me something about it, because I'm very intrigued with the term, and maybe I've heard it for the very first time, or only on social media, or maybe I'm not from the medical background, because it's a very fancy term.
Correct,
It's like,
correct,
okay, so I'll ask you about my skincare. What
Yeah.
is it?
So, see, what has happened is that, as I said in the my introduction,
Yeah,
we are given a degree as DVL, Dermatology, Venerology, Leprosy.
correct.
The government gives us a certification on that. We give an exam, extensive exams, and we tell you about your skin, we treat your skin. And skin doesn't just mean these AHAs and BHAs, your cleansers, your sunscreens. There's a lot to skin.
Hmm.
But what has happened is that because of this demand that we have suddenly created by our own self, we have come up with doctors who are proclaiming themselves as cosmetologists. This term classically does not exist in the textbook of the government. It's not a licensed thing. If I know a little bit, I will tell कि मैं तो cosmetologist हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आ गया है लेज़र चलाना, थोड़ा बहुत मैं पील कर लेता हूँ, and that's it.
So are you saying there's no degree behind it?
There is no degree behind it. There are certification courses which are not even properly recognized by the government of India. There are people who get degrees from outside the country which are not recognized in the country, and then they start practicing. I have nothing against such a thing, but see what happens, if not today, then tomorrow, there will be a problem. I see a lot of cases in my practice where the marriage is happening in 2 weeks. A cosmetologist has already done laser, peels, everything he or she could, but acne नहीं जा रही.
Hmm.
अब in a short span of 14 days मैं भी कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I need time. So a case has been ruined by a cosmetologist who had little knowledge about
Correct,
the whole
correct.
pathology of the disease. जो टेक्निक्स पता थी वो कर दी, केस खराब हो गया, डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट को दे दिया गया. So yes, if you really want to get your skin checked and you want good advice on your skincare,
Correct.
see a dermatologist. Check that your doctor has a MD dermatology or a diploma in dermatology. There are lots of degrees which are available and are certified by the government. Check and then go to a doctor. Don't just walk into any clinic.
Correct, correct. You mentioned about the digital part, like social media, it has a lot of impact to play. I personally believe celebrities and influencers, they have somehow set a very unrealistic expectations when it comes to
Correct.
cosmetics and the use of a product. And now it has impacted, that impact now it has reached such a depth that people are influenced to a certain level that just one video can change their entire perception towards a product.
Absolutely.
Do you think it is now impacting the younger generation or today's generation in some way or the other that might ruin their skincare in the coming time?
See, what has happened is that with COVID being there, a lot of time in our hands, we all started, I think, reading about skin. It was easily available, and social media boomed suddenly with skincare videos. There are, of course, as I said, the doctors caught onto the train. Chalta raha hai sab. Ab we have reached a pinnacle where everything is publicized, everything is told. People who have not taken chemistry in 12th are telling you about chemicals.
Oh God.
Nobody who has done pharma in your undergrad years are telling you क्या चीज़ लगनी है, कैसे लगनी है, किस समय लगनी है. And whenever you open your feed, all you read or all you see is skincare, skincare, skincare. Even, see, as children when we used to watch TV, कितने सनस्क्रीन के ऐड देखे होंगे? Hardly any. लेकिन आज देखें तो ये सनस्क्रीन लगा लो, वो सनस्क्रीन लगा लो.
Correct.
So there's so much of sudden shift that has happened, a pandemonium shift that has happened on skincare, and everybody is just cashing in. Nobody knows कि product कितना genuine है, क्या है. People are getting paid. This is a sponsored thing that they're doing. They're putting it forward. We are just catching on to it. और इतना हम देखते हैं सुबह से शाम कि हमें शाम तक आते आते लगता है कि यार ले ही लेता हूँ,
ले लेते हैं.
ले ही लेते हैं.
We don't have the time to go and consult a
dermatologist.
then pay there again. Rather just open the wish list.
Exactly. And I think
order.
कहीं ना
Yeah.
ये भी है कि पैसे बच रहे हैं. भाई फ्री में कोई मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है,
Correct.
ले लेता हूँ और कर लेता हूँ, कुछ होगा तो देखा जाएगा.
Correct.
बट सी, आई ऑलवेज टेल दिस टू माई पेशेंट्स व्हेन दे कम टू मी कि वो महाभारत का एकलव्य वाला हिसाब है. उसका अंगूठा बेचारे का गया, आपकी मेंटल पीस जाती है. आप इतना देखते हो, कभी आप एक चीज़ खरीदते हो, फिर आप दूसरी चीज़ खरीदते हो, फिर आप तीसरी चीज़ खरीदते हो, आपको रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा. Nobody is there to tell you कि when you apply a product, it will take some time to seep in. get into your cellular levels, start acting. अब जब उसको आप एक टाइम फ्रेम मॉड्यूल नहीं दोगे कि भाई इतने में करना है मुझे काम, उतने में 2 हफ्ते के अंदर आपने दूसरा प्रोडक्ट ले लिया जस्ट बिकॉज यू सॉ अनदर एड और अनदर इन्फ्लुएंसर डूइंग द सेम कि भाई ये ले लो आप. इट जस्ट messes up the first product also.
Correct.
एंड हो सकता है कोई भी प्रोडक्ट काम नहीं करने वाला बिकॉज वी जस्ट बाइंग द प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज somebody told me to. Also you have to keep in mind that there's something called genetics to this now.
Correct.
Some people are just born pretty.
Yes.
So a few years back I treated a influencer. Now she's a very big influencer.
Okay.
And she's born pretty.
Okay.
Her genetics are pretty.
Okay.
अगर वो कुछ मेकअप नहीं भी लगाती हैं तो she is pretty, right? So when she started putting photographs ki, you know, I had acne and I went to this doctor, my skin journey, patients started coming to me. And I had one singularity of problem with all the patients who came to me.
Yeah.
मुझे उस जैसा सुंदर बना दो.
Yeah, this is I think typical Indian problem. We have this
एक
thing.
तो we are infatuated with the skin color.
Correct. The glass skin, I would say.
Yes.
The
Glass skin, गोरा होना है.
गोरा होना है.
I mean, it just is so difficult. And when I tell them कि you know ये
Right.
कुदरत की दी हुई चीज़ है, ऊपर वाले ने दी है, मैं होता कौन हूँ इसको चेंज करने वाला.
Correct.
We cannot play gods.
Correct.
But they are so
Obsessed.
impacted and obsessed
Yes.
that I think now
Yes.
this current generation at some point of time would start feeling the need of a therapy about it because you're obsessed. Obsession will need to be dealt with a therapist who is now going to charge you per hour.
Yeah.
So I feel अब बहुत ज़्यादा होता जा रहा है and we are not able to put a full stop to it. We don't understand how much we need. What do we need? We just want more and more. It's like a hunger that cannot be stopped.
What's the obsession of Indians with this glass skin, the Korean culture, to follow it? And also, you know, back in 2000, there was a trend, you know, this makes you more fair. But I think after 20 years, we have now accepted the fact that even dark skin, the brown skin, it looks beautiful. You being a dermat, do you still see Indians being obsessed about getting more fair or changing their skin tone even today?
I would say it has gone back to worse. With the advent of glutathione in the market, the infatuation with white skin has reached levels beyond
Still?
our
2026?
beyond our imagination. Brides to
God.
be are like मुझे गोरा होना है. I'm like तुम और कितनी गोरे होगे यार. मतलब हम गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स के वाइट वॉकर तो नहीं बन सकते ना इतने गोरे हो जाएं. क्यों गोरा होना है? यू आर प्रिटी, यू आर नाइस, योर स्किन टोन इज गुड, दिस इज नेचुरल.
Correct.
बट नहीं, गोरा होना है. देयर इज दिस innate pressure I think on every female
Yeah.
कि हमें गोरा होना है. And to be very fair to this, see, we are brown. The Indian skin is culturally brown.
Yes.
It protects you from 100 things, not to mention the skin cancer in itself. आपकी स्किन ज़्यादा अच्छी है.
Oily, you know.
ऑयली है कुछ, हाँ थोड़ा सा ऑयल तो रहेगा ही बिकॉज यू नो यू आर बॉर्न इन इंडिया, इतना हार्श सन है. अगर ऑयल नहीं होगा तो विल बी बर्न टू अ क्रिस्प. सो आई फील कि अच्छी स्किन है हम सबकी, लेकिन ये जो इन्फैक्चुएशन है कि नहीं हमें गोरा होना है, ग्लूटाथियोन के इंजेक्शन लग रहे हैं, पता नहीं है किसी को एफडी अप्रूवल है या नहीं है, बट जस्ट गोइंग ऑन सिटिंग. एंड हु इज डूइंग दिस, who is putting this IV drip in you, you have no idea. This person is a nurse or not, a technician, a doctor. We are just infatuated beyond our imaginations. And sometimes it's a cause of concern because there have been cases where people have had a very bad experience.
So do you think India is now heading towards an obsession which is very unhealthy for the skin?
Correct. Absolutely correct. I think this will slowly creep into their mental health issues. And this much of obsession definitely, kahin na kahin, they will do something that they will regret. They do something that they do regret in the end of the day. But I feel ki, you know, you should be happy with your skin. You should be happy with what you're born with. Jo upar wale ne diya, you should be happy with it. Accept it. I can play around with making it glow. I am cool with if you want to use minimum makeup. In fact, in my clinic, I tell my patients, my end point of therapy is a nude skin. आप सुबह उठे हैं, आपको मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपकी शादी हो रही है, आपका ब्राइडल पैकेज मिनिमम होना चाहिए क्योंकि आप ऐसे ही ग्लो कर रहे हो. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट वी वांट फ्रॉम आवर पेशेंट्स. बट इट हैज़ गॉन टू अ पॉइंट कि नहीं, स्किन टोन बदल दो, मेरा ग्लो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि बस पूछिए मत. ये तो इज अनरियलिस्टिक एट टाइम्स. कोरियन ग्लास स्किन, आई थिंक इट हैपेंड व्हेन पीपल स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग द कोरियन सीरीज, आई थिंक. And their skin is amazing, no doubt. But look at their diet. They have an amazing diet. Look at their lifestyle. यहाँ पे we are not even following 1/3 of what they do. Our diet is not as good. Lifestyle, I won't even comment here. And Korean skincare is a balance between what you're using, hydration and everything else. We overdo everything. Moisturize कर रहे हैं तो इतना moisturize कर रहे हैं कि पता ही नहीं. Moisturize कर रहे हैं तो एक ऐसी चीज़ से moisturize कर रहे हैं जो face के लिए बनी ही नहीं. I will not take the brand names. Everybody knows it.
Okay.
But किसी ने डाला, इससे तो मेरी स्किन चमक गई, ग्लास की तरह हो गई, सब लगा रहे हैं. मैंने बचपन में कहानी पढ़ी थी.
Correct.
वो टोपी वाला आया, बंदर उसकी टोपी ले गए, वो बंदरों से टोपी मांगता रहा. फाइनली उसने अपनी टोपी फेंकी तो सब बंदरों ने टोपी फेंकी. इट्स द सेम दैट इज हैपनिंग. कोई आता है, रील बनाता है, इससे मेरी स्किन अच्छी हो गई, सब लगा रहे हैं. उसकी स्किन टाइप किसी ने नहीं पूछी.
If I check on a probability of, like, if there are 10 people in a room and one person, they enter and they introduce a product, let's just say they introduce a skincare, what are the chances that it will suit all of them, or what are the chances that 10 में से the chance only 1 or 2 people they'll be more comfortable with that product on the longer run, बाकी से 7 to 8 लोगों को उसका फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा? कितने % में इसके chances हैं?
30 to 40.
Okay.
So when I see a patient,
Yeah.
I'll just give an example. I have 4 vitamin C serums in my clinic.
Correct.
I know मुझे किस स्ट्रेंथ का किसको देना है.
Correct.
मुझे प्लेन विटामिन सी देना है, मुझे विटामिन सी विद हाइलोनिक एसिड देना है, ये मुझे डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा उसकी स्किन देखकर.
Correct.
आई हैव टू टेक अ जजमेंट कॉल. इज द स्किन फ्लेकी, इज द स्किन गिविंग मी सम अदर प्रॉब्लम्स.
Correct.
अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस द सब्सटेंस. भाई इंग्रेडिएंट तो मेरा सेम ही था विटामिन सी,
Correct. Correct.
बट मैं विटामिन सी में ही चेंज कर रहा हूँ कि मुझे क्या 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 डाल के देना है. सो it cannot be that one product can be your everything, you know. But what skin influencers try to portray to you is आप कुछ भी लगा लो, सब चलता है आपकी स्किन पे. नहीं चल सकता.
You think these brands, these expensive brands, they are selling security more than skincare these days?
I think the current trend is a very gullible trend of brands.
Correct.
We are very brand conscious. You know,
Correct.
it's a very bling bling in your face.
Correct.
So I think people are more into the fact कि मैं फलाने
Correct.
ब्रांड का क्लेंजर या फलाने
Correct.
ब्रांड का टोनर यूज कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
Nobody is interested कि what they have been sold. Nobody is interested that the package that you're getting, what it's actually containing, what are the ingredients, what is the class of ingredients. Just because it has a stamp, everybody says कि that stamp is there, I'm good. So I do this. I ask all my patients when they tell me a particular brand, and this brand is so common
Correct.
that everybody has used it. I'm pretty sure you also have used it. Of course, no
We
brand
cannot take
names,
the
no
names,
brand names.
of course.
So I ask them, when you take the brand name,
Correct.
what do you feel?
Correct.
And they tell me it's a French brand. And I tell them, brand की बोतल घुमा के देखना, made in India लिखा हुआ है. So they don't even know that it was sold at a particular point of time in the history to Indians only. And now they just feel कि यार नाम है ना, इंटरनेशनल है तो बाहर से आ रहा है. Nobody bothered to check where it was manufactured. And most of the times manufacturing houses are fixed. हो सकता है वहाँ पे वो ब्रांड भी बन रहा हो, साइड में एक और ब्रांड भी बन रहा हो. आप दूसरे ब्रांड को फ्राउन अपॉन करते हो क्योंकि आपको लगता है वो होम ग्रोन प्रोडक्ट है. बट ऐसा नहीं होता. अब एक ही जगह पे दोनों चीज़ें बन रही हैं, इट मेक्स नो डिफरेंस. सो आई फील इट्स मोर ऑफ दीज ब्रांड दैट वी हैव पुट इन आवर हेड्स कि ये बाहर की कंपनी है, दिस मस्ट बी गुड, दे मस्ट बी यूजिंग ग्रेट
इंग्रेडिएंट्स. The obsession with the foreign name and the products
exactly
still continues.
But ऐसा नहीं है. In fact, there are lots of class suit acts going on where people have pointed out that the same product when purchased from an international market
It's
is
very different.
totally different from what we purchased from our local
This
market.
I have experienced. I have experienced personally, staying in London for 3 years. I can tell this is 100% true.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
So maybe the brand that came into India had a low grade. Maybe it was expired and it was just repackaged for India. I cannot comment on it. But
Yes.
definitely I have heard it from a number of patients. You know, when we used to buy a product which was not in India, it was coming as an imported article.
Correct.
It was expensive.
Correct.
It was great. Now it's being marketed to India. It's not the same. So again, this brand obsession that has started, you know, from Nike and Adidas, it has suddenly crept into skincare.
now.
कि मैं उसका वो use कर रहे हैं, हम उसका ये use कर रहे हैं, and nobody is worried about what you are
And
using.
every day there's some new skin brand in the market.
Every day.
Yeah.
And fancy names,
Yeah.
people are putting a lot of
Fancy
efforts.
bottles.
Yes.
A lot of Bollywood
Packaging,
stars,
packaging.
they are launching their own skincare
True,
brand.
true.
Tuning into it that this is what they ask for in the market now. Because
Correct.
it starts from a very early age. Teenage, as you mentioned, you have a 3-year-old daughter. Even she
Correct.
wants a
Lipstick.
lipstick and now.
Yeah.
So we can understand what's like till what depth it has reached. So I think this somehow explains the how brands they are selling. They're not solving the problem. They're selling you the security,
Correct.
and for that peace of mind of yours.
I would say a cushion. So
Yeah.
when you have that cushion, you feel कि मैं ये particular brand endorsed by this particular celebrity or
Correct.
this skin influencer.
Correct.
Look at her skin.
Correct.
It's like somebody selling you a particular brand of shampoo. Are they really using that
Using
brand
the
of shampoo or
brand of
not?
shampoo or not,
ये
exactly.
150 रुपए की बोतल, is she also using it? I mean, we have no idea.
No, yeah.
But we feel so cushioned by the fact that
Correct.
this person is giving it to me.
Correct.
And again, it is okay. That's completely fine. Perfect. This has been going on since time immemorial. But I think now in this era, you have to be more intelligent about your choices. And if you have a specialist, see, dermats, we go through our undergrad, then we go through our internship, then we go through the grind of our PGs, then SRship, and then we are ready for you. So after all these decades of reading, if you have someone qualified, certified by the government, why not go to the person?
Correct.
Why just go to any Tom, Dick and Harry and just start using it? You have the ability,
You have the
please
option.
go.
Please go.
So I always tell my patients, don't
Randomly
unnecessarily
just
go
pick
to
up.
Google.
Yeah.
Don't follow what is being told. You have something, if you don't want to come to me, go to whoever you feel comfortable.
Correct.
But please go to a dermat. Don't
Okay.
just go on and
Believe
do
what you
this.
see on the screen.
Yes, absolutely correct. Well placed.
So we have spoken about the social media thing and the influence of people, who suggest what skincare you need to use.
Correct.
What is that one thing that people these days they are doing to look attractive, but they will regret after 10 years?
See, the current trend as it is going is a shift towards Botox, a lot of IV, these drips that they're using, and a lot of plastics also. A lot of
Okay.
plastic surgery material.
Rhinoplasty and everything.
It's become so common
Okay.
that people are just talking randomly about it and they're so cool about it. ऐसे कि it's like going to market and picking up a kg of tomatoes.
Get a nose job
Ah.
done, get a
Exactly.
jawline thing done.
Jawline, I'm getting my
Yeah.
jawline tightened up.
Correct.
I'm getting a nose. It's like so common.
And doctors are promoting it on social media.
I mean, of course. I mean, if I'm selling something, I would
Yeah.
want to promote it.
Correct,
I mean, there's
correct.
nothing wrong with that. But
Yeah.
again, you have to make an educated choice. Do you really need it? So maybe today your purse is allowing you for Botox, but maybe in long term, you won't be able to carry it forward. But your skin is going to get used to it, right? So why unnecessarily go for it?
What challenges might come if someone gets this
I mean,
thing
if you take it now, let's
Yeah.
just say for X amount,
Yeah.
in due course of time, the aging is going to go on, right? We are going to age.
Yes.
So definitely the demand is going to go up and up. And with each ml, the cost is going to go up and up. So fine, if you're able to afford it, no issues with me. But I feel, it's just my point of view, that let's just age gracefully as we are. You know? I read it somewhere that the foolishness of mankind is that they feel that they can control nature while it is totally the other way around. So, you try to play God.
Yeah.
And there are consequences to it. And I get a lot of patients who tried Botox, didn't like it, tried lifts, didn't like it, or not able to afford it anymore.
Yeah.
So I always tell them, gracefully age. Age तो सबको होना ही है ना, उससे तो हम बच ही नहीं सकते. See, even God comes, does the job, goes. Whether ours or the Western world, has to go. So you will also age. Let's just age the way we are, gracefully. I'm not saying कि totally झुर्रियों में फंस जाओ. Use the right ingredients, the best of ingredients.
The anti-aging thing.
Anti-agings, the retinols. But you
Correct.
should know what to use when. I
Correct.
have 20-year-olds using retinol. 21-year-old girl walking in, मैं retinol लगा रही हूँ, कहीं aging ना start हो
It's
जाए.
not advisable.
I mean, not at such young an age. I mean, 21. Remember when we were 21? कोई होश ही नहीं था. मुझे तो sunscreen तक नहीं पता थी तब शायद. So my point is, we should know what we are doing, when we are doing, and the right thing. Also, something like these IV drips. When is the last time आपको सुई भी लगी होगी? याद है?
COVID के time पे था. Vaccine वाला.
वैक्सीन के
हाँ,
टाइम पे,
correct.
right? अब उसको उसी तरह रहने देते हैं. Why unnecessarily go to a clinic and get a drip done? See, we use an injection or an IV bag when we feel it is one life saving, or we need to give a bolus maybe of a drug in a short period of time. Otherwise, why? It's a luxury item now.
A lot of celebrities they are promoting it, like because they have a huge fan following.
True.
they're seeing they're putting the IV drops before a
Correct,
dance performance
correct,
or a
correct,
shoot.
correct.
And now the companies, they're actually selling it.
So again, we have started to go towards the artificial side of life. कि you know short term gains कर लेते हैं, long term किसी ने सोचना ही नहीं है. मैं बोलस इतना ले लेते हैं, फिर देखा जाएगा. क्यों भाई, आराम से कर लो. And see, we are the oldest existing civilization still alive.
Correct.
पूर्वजों ने कुछ तो सही किया होगा यार, किसी ने आईवी ड्रिप तो नहीं लगाई थी.
Hmm.
सो लेट्स जस्ट कीप इट लाइक दैट. वी डोंट नो द साइड इफेक्ट्स. अभी नहीं पता, हो सकता है 10 साल बाद कोई बता दे कि यार ये
correct.
कर लिया तो उससे ये हो रहा है. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ड्रग्स व्हिच वर वेरी कॉमन. लॉट ऑफ ड्रग्स व्हिच वर यूज्ड फॉर गैस्ट्रिक इश्यूज व्हिच आर वेरी कॉमन. सडनली वन डे वी वर टोल्ड इससे तो कैंसर हो रहा है. अगेन वी डोंट नो. सो आई फील until unless it's of dire need, don't take it. Leave it. And skin में कोई मर नहीं रहा है. Again, it's your perception of your skin. So I feel we shouldn't just go there. And on the topic which you asked, ki, you know, which you something that you will regret
10 years later.
I see a lot of tattoos over there.
So I have around 4 to 5, one on the chest.
So
and the
I'm
back.
a big tattoo enthusiast myself.
I
When I
can
was
see
in
any.
undergrad, when I was in undergrad, I was sure ये बनवाना है और यहाँ बनवाना है.
Like,
Then when I started reading, and
Yeah.
I started reading immunology and dermatology, I figured out that there are certain cells in our body,
okay.
in the immune system, called macrophages. And like a Pac-Man, it just eats everything and anything that is foreign. So when the tattoo artist gives you this tattoo, the pigments are deposited in the deep layers.
Correct.
And this macrophage, which has been patrolling for these years and years, it dies, it regenerates, comes back. It just keeps going on. This cycle keeps going on. A new batch comes in. It knows कि ऊपर क्या था. Suddenly it says ये pigment यहाँ नहीं था. It starts to eat it, literally like a Pac-Man. And the problem is not that it's eating it. The problem is what will happen when it dies. Nothing in this life is forever.
Correct.
So macrophage, after finishing its lifespan, would die and get deposited in the lymph nodes. That pigment will be released. Again, it will be eaten up by another macrophage. तो ये लाइफ साइकिल चलती रहेगी. लाइक अ स्नेक वांट्स टू बाइट द टेल.
Okay.
लिम्फेटिक ड्रेनेज एक जगह पे मल्टीपल एरिया से आती है, राइट. लाइक फॉर द आर्म, अगर एक्जिला में लिम्फेटिक ड्रेनेज खत्म हो रही है, मैक्रोफेज वहाँ डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा, एंड हो जाएगा. बट ब्रेस्ट की भी उसी तरफ जाएगी. तो
Like the
प्रॉब्लम,
arm connectivity,
हाँ, सो दे आर ऑल रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. सो देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ केसेज वेयर इन स्पेशली आउटसाइड दिस कंट्री, इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट अ टैटू, दे विल फर्स्ट आस्क यू कैंसर रिस्क है फैमिली में, किसी ने चेक करवाया है. दे विल आस्क यू टू गो फॉर जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग, एंड देन दे विल टेल यू कि ये करना है या नहीं करना है. बिकॉज दे नो दैट इन that pigment in the future can cause cancer. Now the word is can, तो उड़ता तीर है, छोड़ भी सकते हैं. It's not something that you really need. Plus the pigments that were used before. I mean, if you have grandparents, you must have noticed वो ओम और वो नाम लिखा जाता था. And it was a very hazy way of writing it, you know. किसी का भी बहुत clearly नहीं लिखा हुआ, ऐसा लग रहा है कि हिल रहा है हाथ. So that is a vegetable ink. Now you have synthetic ink. There's a pandemonium shift now again in the type of things you're using on your skin.
Correct.
अब different ink है, chemical based है, क्या रिएक्शन देगी पता नहीं. दादी नानी तो सब उसके साथ आज भी
I
सही
was
है.
coming to that question. Like, I still remember, like, even my nani, she used to have a tattoo. My even grandparents, of course, they used to get their partner's name printed over here.
Correct.
But tattoo तो उनका भी था, and उनको तो कोई ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं था, skin issues. तो
The ink, vegetable derived ink.
what's that?
मतलब so generally what happens if you go towards Rajasthan, you will get to know कि वो लोग वेजिटेबल से आज भी इंक निकालते हैं, उसको बाटिक प्रिंटिंग कहते हैं.
Okay.
तो जो कलर्स हैं वो वेजिटेबली डिराइव्ड हैं.
Okay.
तो ऑर्गेनिक है, इन अ वे टू से,
Okay.
राइट. कोई उसमें केमिकल नहीं ऐड कर रहे वो लोग. दे आर थिक, दे आर हैवी. इसके लिए वो प्रॉपरली नीडल्स में भी नहीं जाते हैं. तो जो आज के एडवांस डायमंड टिप नीडल्स हैं उसमें उनको जाना, दे गेट ब्लॉक्ड. सो नाउ द डील इज दैट वो वाले जो टैटूज थे वो अलग तरीके से बनते थे.
They were more painful.
A lot
painful.
a lot.
Yeah.
And there's still traditional populations, the Samoans, the Thailand people, they do it with a stick. It hurts. कोई आपकी पीठ पे डंडा रख के टक मार रहा है, it will hurt. So that was the traditional way of doing the tattoos.
And that was safe.
A lot.
That is still safe.
Yes.
People
I mean,
still do it?
Of course.
Like the stars
आप
or anyone?
कहीं पे नहीं, not the stars. See, the stars are buying their needle of tattoos and then getting all their tattoos done.
Okay.
Their pigments are also very different.
Okay.
Don't just accept whatever you see online, right? वो बहुत अलग है. See,
Virat
now what
Kohli,
happens is
Dwayne Johnson, they
all
have
these people.
their arms.
Dwayne Johnson is a Samoan, तो उसकी तो हेरिटेज है.
अच्छा.
तो वो सालों में बना है धीरे 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 करके.
Like
That's
the
a
entire
heritage.
arm which he
Yes,
got done.
all these Samoans, they have a heritage to it.
Okay.
And they're very proud of it. तो वो एक दिन में नहीं बन सकता. It'll be done slowly. Also, on this topic, another thing, मैंने बोला कि उनके पास diamond tipped needle है, which they
Correct.
mostly buy.
Correct.
So when I was going through this tattoo thing in my life, I was also asked, buy the needle, keep it with you. We will tell you where to buy the pigments from. Then come to us and we will do the tattoo for you. आजकल ऐसा कोई नहीं बोल रहा. So लोग पालिका बाजार जाके टैटू लगवा रहे हैं 150 में. So the problem is that needle. Generally, what people do, they will just boil it, wipe it with a alcohol-based disinfectant, and use it again. I recently saw a case in a charitable hospital where एक मेले में किसी ने टैटू बनाए 50-60 लोगों के, सेम चीज़ बॉयल करता रहा, 3 नीडल थी, उठाया डिसइंफेक्टेंट लगाया, लगा दिया. Everybody turned out Hep C positive.
Oh God.
So it is not such a simple thing. Now you bear the consequences.
What about people who actually, like, they get the needle, they're going to a good tattoo artist or a very renowned one. The risk is still there?
Because the pigments are still not the same ना. अब तो सारे chemical derived pigments हो गए ना.
So it's not
वो
just a
वाले
needle thing, it's about the
It's a
chemical
whole
part.
thing. I mean, needle is something that is much more dangerous, which is going to immediately impact you maybe in the next 3-4 years. But long-term scenario with the cancer looming around, yes.
So what
That
advice
is-
do you have for youngsters or anyone, teenagers, females, males, they're heading towards or they're about to get a tattoo done?
Don't get it done.
Oh God.
I was very unpopular in my during my post graduation when I used to take class. I used to tell my students, मत बनवाओ, ये हो जाता है. And they used to Google and they're like, हाँ ये सही कह रहे हैं. I was like, मत बनवाओ. देखो risk है. It's a risk. In a world where you cannot control your AQI right now,
Correct.
there is so much of other risk. We don't know what we're eating, what we're
Correct.
drinking.
Correct.
Why unnecessary pile on another risk? And all of us have a family. कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी को कैंसर हो ही रहा है.
Okay.
So we are carrying that genetics.
And just in case they still want to get it done, what areas they should avoid?
As such, तो I cannot say anything कि यहाँ मत करो या वहाँ मत करो. Face would be something I would say don't get it done. तो ठीक कैसे करेंगे हम dermatologists? But I would say कि there is no such thing as, for me, if you ask me, मैंने तो there's not a single tattoo on my body. Because when I read it, I was clear. ये मुझे नहीं करना है. क्योंकि there's a risk to it. Even if you're living in Delhi and you don't smoke, you are still smoking. So you do carry a risk of pulmonary cancer in Delhi, right? So just imagine that with all the risks that I'm carrying, why do I would want to burden my body with another risk? हो सकता है. And see what I said. आप बाहर होंगे तो प्रोफेशनल टैटू आर्टिस्ट एट टाइम्स वुड आस्क यू कि अगर आपकी फैमिली में ब्रेस्ट कैंसर की हिस्ट्री है, गेट दीज टेस्ट डन, देन आई विल डू द थिंग. यहाँ इंडिया में कौन पूछ रहा है? और लोगों को पता भी नहीं होता कि हमारी फैमिली में प्रॉपर हिस्ट्रीज हैं या नहीं है.
Correct.
सो इट्स अ रिस्क. इफ यू वांट टू टेक इट, it's up to you. If you would ask me, I would say please avoid. Avoid.
Get a temporarily done.
Get a temporary one done. That's the best
Oh,
thing.
this is something new.
Yeah.
Being a coach myself, like I talk to a lot of people. Like I'm a life coach, so I talk to a lot of people on day-to-day basis. They don't have a good mental health. So, but at the same time, you know, a person who has a good mental health, it reflects on their face.
Correct.
They're glowing.
Correct.
A person who's going through depression or let's just say not in a really good phase in his life, his or her life, you'll see that through how they walk, how they talk, and how they're reacting to things. ऐसे टाइम पे जब mentally you're not doing well, does this stress, depression also correlates with skincare? ऐसे टाइम पे इंसान कैसा भी स्किन केयर कर ले, मेरे को लगता है वो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Am I right or am I wrong over here?
Absolutely correct.
Okay.
So I'll start by saying that this is something we first connected upon.
Yes, sir.
So mental health for me
Yeah.
is very much related to spirituality.
Okay.
आपका विश्वास.
हाँ.
उसके बाद देखो क्या है कि if you are stressed, in fact I'll put it in this way. My teacher has taught me this. Skin is a mirror. जो अंदर चल रहा है ना वो बाहर दिख ही जाएगा.
Is this true?
दिस इज़ ट्रू. तो अगर आपको डायबिटीज़ है, मैं स्किन देख के बता पाऊंगा कि यहाँ पे आपको डायबिटीज स्टार्ट हो रही है. एंड आई हैव डन इट टू अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंट्स एंड दे वर
Blown.
flabbergasted
Oh
कि
my
ये
God.
कैसे बता दिया
Oh
आपने.
God.
तो
Crazy.
दिस इज़ अ वे, दिस इज़ अ, एंड वी आर टॉट दिस.
Yes.
हमारे कोर्सेज में है कि हाउ यू कैन लुक एंड टेल कि अंदर एक मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर हो रहा है.
हाँ.
उसी तरह जब आप किसी भी स्ट्रेस में हो, एनी काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस, राइट. नाउ स्ट्रेस इज़ अ वेरी बिग टर्म.
Correct.
एक स्ट्रेस तो ये है कि जो दिमाग के साथ चल रहा है. दूसरा स्ट्रेस क्या है, आप बीमार हो गए.
Hmm.
वो भी बॉडी पे एक स्ट्रेस है. बॉडी तो अंदर एक जंग लड़ी रही है ना बेचारी.
Hmm.
तो वो भी रिफ्लेक्ट होता है आपकी स्किन पे. लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल हु फॉल सिक और आर हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड, दे सडनली स्टार्ट गेटिंग अ बैड स्किन.
Hmm.
सो स्किन विल रिफ्लेक्ट एवरीथिंग.
Hmm.
आई हैड अ केस जहाँ पे फीमेल पेशेंट यूज टू कम टू मी फॉर एक्ने. केप्ट कमिंग, मैं ठीक कर देता था. फिर 3-4 महीने बाद फिर अरे आज सर चल क्या रहा है,
Hmm.
लाइफ में क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
Hmm.
शी टोल्ड मी ये प्रॉब्लम है. आई सेड फर्स्ट यू नीड हेल्प,
Hmm.
लेट्स जस्ट सॉर्ट दैट फर्स्ट.
Hmm.
एंड टू माई अमेजमेंट व्हेन शी सीक्ड हेल्प, जब उन्होंने हेल्प अपने लिए ली
Hmm.
और शी सॉ समवन एंड दैट पर्सन हेल्प्ड हर, शी टर्न्ड अ न्यू लीफ एंड एक्ने वर गॉन. और हमने क्या नहीं लगाया, क्या एक्टिव्स नहीं लगा दिए उन पे, बट आफ्टर अ सर्टन पॉइंट the thing used to come back because mentally she was not happy, not in a good place. She needed help, she needed some rescue. और जब वो उनको मिला it was great. And it was very difficult for me to tell her and make sure that she sees someone, because see outrightly you're not ready to accept it कि भाई मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो भी सकती है.
Correct.
You feel कि I'm top of the world. ये तो सबके साथ होता ही रहता है.
Delulu kind of a thing.
Exactly. They feel कि ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, क्या बात
Correct.
कर रहे हो आप, ऐसे कोई ना होता है.
Correct.
But then it happens. So ये बहुत important aspect है.
So,
People need to
yeah.
talk.
I have a very important question over here. Do females, like females who are pregnant, do they need to avoid certain type of skincare during their pregnancy phase?
Okay.
It's a very important question.
Yes, it is. And see, everybody will have a different take on this.
Okay. What is your take?
मेरा take ये था, and मैंने अपनी वाइफ से बहुत गालियाँ खाई थी. Nothing.
Apply nothing.
मैं कुछ नहीं लगाने दूंगा. See again, मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था कि एक there was a drug which was in play for a long time for gastric issues.
Correct.
Suddenly after 14 years they said cancer हो रहा है. मुझे नहीं पता whatever I am applying on the skin, how much of it is seeping inside, whether it is crossing the placenta and going to the fetus. So whenever I have patients now who I started seeing as a teenager, now they are married and they are pregnant.
Okay.
So when they come to me कि अब क्या करना है, मैं कहता हूँ बस एक फेस वॉश विदाउट एनी नॉनसेंस एक्टिव्स, कुछ नहीं होगा उसमें, क्लेंजर होगा जेंटली.
Okay.
नो सनस्क्रीन, एक फेस मॉइस्चराइजर लगेगा, एक बॉडी मॉइस्चराइजर लगेगा, दैट्स इट. Nothing else until you are breastfeeding and your breastfeeding is done. I will start using any actives only and only after you have finished your breastfeeding.
Oh.
Till then, you are on a very important mission. बहुत बड़ी चीज़ आपको नवाजी गई है, उस पर ध्यान दें. और जनरली इन प्रेगनेंसी द स्किन इज़ फ्लॉलेस, राइट.
True.
तो वो वैसे ही ठीक हो जाती है. और जो थोड़ा बहुत होता है, मैं कहता हूँ प्लीज़ हैव पेशेंस. एंड आई वेंट थ्रू दिस, माई वाइफ वॉज नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट इट कि यार पहले तो तुमने कहा ये लगाओ ये लगाओ, अब तुमने कहा कुछ भी मत लगाओ. मैंने कहा बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो डोंट नो, इट्स अ रिस्क. मुझे भी नहीं पता कि ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स, जितनी नॉलेज हमारे पास आज है, हमें आज पता है, but what if tomorrow it changes? I don't know.
Correct.
So why will I take a risk? So I'll go old school. जैसे पहले था, पहले की मम्मियों ने ना विटामिन सी लगाया होगा, ना ही रेटिनॉल लगाया होगा. That way. We all turned out correctly.
That's something very important. If we keep all the noise of the social media aside, like the influencers, the celebrities, what's the basic skincare a person should use and they'll be happy with it?
If it is just a basic skincare, and I would say a normal gentle cleanser, a moisturizing exfoliant on a very limited time scale, like maybe once a week.
Yeah.
A normal face moisturizer. If you feel your skin is dry,
Yeah.
a sunscreen.
That's it.
That's it.
The same applies for male also?
Yeah. That's it. Full stop.
Is it?
Until unless there is a special demand that I want something. मैं तब, और वो demand तभी आएगी जब noise होगी. वरना इतना, that's it. Just do this much, and of course drink lots of water. So I think people forget to drink water. उनको लगता है ये ज़रूरी ही नहीं है. So I feel that is completely wrong. It depends आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप कितना बोलते हो एक दिन में, आप क्या ऑक्यूपेशन है, कितनी देर आप बाहर हो, एंड यू नीड वाटर, यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. तो पानी अच्छी तरह पीजिए.
So yeah, 100 problems की एक दवाई.
जल.
Jal.
Correct.
Okay, we'll have a rapid fire now.
Done.
Like, I'll ask you a question and then you answer it. You want to explain a little? You can explain.
Okay.
All right. So, very quick one. Most overrated skincare ingredient.
हाइलुरोनिक एसिड. मुझे लगता है बहुत, मैंने पर्सनली भी यूज़ किया है एंड ओके है. मतलब इतना हल्ला बल्ला लगा रखा है, इट्स ओके, नथिंग ग्रेट.
Most underrated ingredient.
ओटमील. आई थिंक 2% ओटमील एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं करी लोगों ने. एंड इट इज़ सच, आई एम एन एटोपिक पर्सन.
Yeah.
बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी बचपन में एंड मेरे को ओटमील जितनी सूट करी एंड मेरे जितने पेशेंट्स है दे विल स्वेयर बाय दिस. ओटमील just changes everything.
One skincare trend that needs to stop right away.
स्नेल म्यूसिन. पसीना है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. कोई बेच रहा है मत, जस्ट डोंट बाय इट बिकॉज समबडी इज सेलिंग इट टू यू. व्हाट इज इट, एटलीस्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज इट. एंड वी डोंट हैव क्लिनिकल डेटा कि काम कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है. इट्स जस्ट अ ट्रेंड विच इज जस्ट कैचिंग फायर.
Okay. And one product that everyone should own.
सनस्क्रीन. डू नॉट लिसन क्या बोला जा रहा है.
Huh.
Use a good sunscreen. Great ingredients, a good company. Use a sunscreen.
And one thing that people waste money on unnecessarily.
Toners, but that is my take on it. I feel toners के बिना आपकी skin और भी अच्छी लग सकती है. You don't need it.
All right. Any last advice you have for anyone? All, like, I'm sure I have a lot of audience who will be keen on this episode. Any
Well,
last advice you want to give?
I would just say if you have a skin problem,
Yeah.
don't Google it. Don't take unnecessary tension. जिसने गूगल का वो पेज बनाया है या जो AI भी है, सी AI आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस या इंस्टिंक्ट नहीं दे सकता, वो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग ही दे सकता है. और उसके लिए एज अ डर्मैट वी रीड अ लॉट. सो अलाउ अ डर्मैट टू हेल्प यू. Go to a professional dermat, take a proper consultation, go through the process. And skincare doesn't happen overnight.
Correct. Sir.
This is something I want to tell everyone. It doesn't happen overnight. Even that skin influencer I told you about in the beginning, it took us 6 months. आज वो flawless skin के साथ है इतने सालों बाद भी. But it took us 6 months and I told her patience. So I get patients जो कहते हैं 2 महीने में ठीक कर दो या 2 हफ्ते में. मैं कहता हूँ मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. We'll start the journey and we will try our level best. Patience, see a proper dermatologist.
Don't panic.
And don't panic. तो yours, ये तो आपका zone आ गया. You make sure that they don't panic.
Of course.
And drink lots of water.
Right.
That's all. बाकी तो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में होता है at the end of the day.
Sir, you have had a lot of impact in my life. Thank you. And I'm sure after this episode, a lot of knowledge has been shared through you, and it will help a lot of people. We hope so. Thank you so much for being
Thank
on my
you.
show. Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Take care.